Welcome to the fascinating world of electronics and programming. Technology changes the world. Education shapes the future. At Adeept, we believe everyone can become a creator. It's a place where knowledge meets creativity, and STEAM education comes to life. We are committed to making open-source technology and STEAM learning simple, accessible, and enjoyable for every learner. From Arduino to Raspberry Pi, from robotics to AI vision systems, innovation fuels all our development. Our ever-expanding product lineup includes robotic kits and STEAM learning solutions to suit all types of learning goals and project needs. From the spark of an idea to a finished prototype, we refine every detail with meticulous craftsmanship to deliver premium learning experiences. All circuit boards undergo manual inspections to ensure reliable quality. Our advanced Yamaha SMT lines deliver automated precision PCB manufacturing with multi-layer quality control. Backed by rigorous quality standards and streamlined production, we supply reliable products to customers worldwide. Today, Adeept products are trusted in more than 100 countries and regions. We believe STEAM education is the key to nurturing tomorrow's innovators. Adeept, inspiring creativity through technology, shaping the future together.